distance in that first hill climb this morning, Greg in the GQ Patrol gave it a fairly red hot crack. One of the good things was that he's got your CVs in the front end of that machine.
We definitely do recommend, if you're going to be doing that sort of four-wheel driving, that you upgrade to a Chromoly axle.
And they're treated specifically to make them stronger, aren't they?
They sure are. While we're talking about them, they do actually offer a lifetime warranty against breakages. But the main thing is having the upgraded axle, so when you are spinning it in the dirt and in the mud, when they do grab it, you limit any chance of breakages.
So we cover off all of the popular four-wheel drives on the market, which would be Land Cruisers, Prados, FJ Cruisers, Hiluxes. That's your Toyota range covered. Then you move over to Jeeps, which Nitro is an American brand. So Jeeps are very, very popular in the USA. So we have the full range of all of the Jeeps covered, as well as the popular Nissans, such as Patrols, which we have here. Being that Nitro Gear is now being distributed in Australia, we are looking to do things like Rangers, D-Maxes, Colorados and Navaras.